The U.S. Naval Academy opens October 10, 1845. Founded in 1845, the U.S. Naval Academy in Annapolis, Maryland, was a response to the need for a formalized and consistent military education. Before its establishment, naval officers were primarily trained at sea, with no standardized curriculum. The Academy's founding marked a significant shift towards professionalizing naval training in the United States, combining rigorous academics with hands-on practice to prepare officers for the complexities of modern warfare. Over the years, the Academy evolved to address changing military demands, expanding its curriculum to include engineering, cyber operations, and strategic leadership. These additions ensured that graduates were not only adept in navigation but also equipped with the skills to lead in diverse and technologically advanced combat scenarios. The Academy has played a key role in shaping military doctrine, and its influence extends globally, serving as a model for other nations' military training institutions. The U.S. Naval Academy's legacy includes a long list of distinguished alumni who have shaped American history and defense policies, including naval commanders, astronauts, and public officials. The institution remains a symbol of leadership, discipline, and innovation, adapting continuously to prepare officers for the evolving challenges of the future. Which aspects of the U.S. Naval Academy's legacy do you find most intriguing? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more history insights.